Hey guys, do you want to find the best alternative of Postman and other API testing tool, but having the feature of to develop the API endpoints and test it in the same and simple and fast process as well as simple UI? Then we are going to talk about Insomnia tool that is used for designing and testing the API endpoints, right? API endpoints, right? So today we are going to talk about Insomnia in this video, how to install this and how to use it for like testing the API endpoints or creating the API endpoints. Let's jump into the main video without any delay. I am so excited to tell you about this tool. Make sure this is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to find out the best alternative of some tools, and we are going to check out this video today, and we are going to find out the best tool for API testing, right? So let's jump into the main screen, and we are going to see about Insomnia. So I just search. Let me tell you, Insomnia, what is that, like actually in a way simple way. So it's a collaborative API development and testing tool that simplifies the process of designing, debugging and testing APIs. It's open source first thing and cross-platform desktop application available for Mac OS as well as Windows and Linux. So if you compare the Postman, Insomnia is known for its clean user interface and speed and focus on simplicity. Okay, so core features are there, a lot of things are there. Let's directly jump into the installation part here and we will see directly there. Okay, MANIA API testing tool. Let's search this and okay, so let's click on this one, the Insomnia, and I already make a video of Postman alternative, that is Bruno, and the next video is the API doc. You can check out these two videos, right? Already created video on that, you can check out this video. Now we are going to talk about Insomnia. So that is something you can see here. So debug, design, test and mock APIs. Now let's click on download. First thing, we have options like open source and free tier, right? Unlimited private projects, unlimited collections runner, and free HTTP, RPC, GraphQL, WSS, SSE, and local scratchpad. Let's click on download for Windows. It will allow us to download. We can wait little time, and the UI something will get something like this. If you see here, we have this kind of things, right? Post and the response here. If we hit the endpoints here, and we'll get the response here. Now headers, cookies, timeline and everything here we can get it here. So just wanted to just check out this tool here. What are the things you can do with this one? Scale your API Pro, developer, CI/CD and designer. So developer, they can plugins, like for him, like customization, we can have theme plugins, API client, design, testing, API mocking and collaboration. So local storage also we have, Git sync, also secure cloud and APIs designer, right? For designer also they can use this tool. So how it is different, like you can say that how it is built, right? Yes, the OC2 and more and secure storage. So a lot of things are there, and let's see whether it's downloaded or not. It's downloaded, and we will click on this and install it. Till that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos. If you find this video informative, please hit like button and put your comment that informative. So it's now downloaded, and I just directly click it. So it's a executable file, so we will try to install it. No need to go to the folder, we have already downloaded. So if you open that, it will open as an executable file. So we can check out the feature. If you see about the feature, then we have a lot of things here. We can collaborate, enterprise feature also there, API debugging, API testing, mocking, design. So a lot of things are there. So let's try out and one by one and check about this tool, Insomnia. We can have it, the application is loading, maybe downloading something back inside. So yeah, we can wait some time here. I think it's installed, and let's open this. I think it's going to open automatically here. Okay, so let's find out this tool. Multiple tab, new git sync, secret values, continue. Use local scratchpad. I don't want to go with login and all, right? So just use local scratchpad. And if you see here, the scratchpad, something looking like this, new HTTP request. We can try out new HTTP request here. So a lot of things are there. Hide, Insomnia, others, and create file. We have new window. Okay, view and tool. Okay, minimize tools, reload plugins. All right. Okay, so if you want to go with send request, right? So we have option here, get, post, patch, delete, and after that the endpoints that we have. Okay, let's send this we are not using this one. Okay, request response bin. Okay, request response bin, we have one endpoint to test, request response .in. We have API endpoint that is public. We are going to hit this API endpoint from that one. Okay, so that is this one, and I am going to copy this and let's paste it here and send this. Okay, so you can see the same response we are getting. We can try out the different API endpoints testing here, and body, auth, headers, script, docs, right? You can write out here itself, add query parameter and all, whatever you want to add, you can check it from here. And plus, if we go join an organization, enterprise level, you can go and create organization, you can try out. And I think a toggle header and all, and sign up for full feature. If you want to go API design to see the API design and all things, right, feature, you need to sign up for free first thing. Okay, and so here environments are there. Environments, you can add mock, you can mock the live backend API endpoints. Collections you can create, that will open only once we are going to sign up, then only we will be able to see that. Document any API endpoints, and we can run it from here. Add cookies, base environment, add cookies. You can add cookies directly here. Certificate, sorry, add certificate here. We can add the certificate here. So this is all about this tool Insomnia. You can try out this in your system, right? And I think very it's simple UI, and you can try out this one also. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you have any doubt and you are able to test any API endpoints also, so let me know in comments how many you have tried. So you just need to add Insomnia as a comment in the comment section. You just put as Insomnia, so it will show that you have downloaded or you have installed or you have tested out this tool already. So thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, and happy learning, happy installation.